picture. Alright, what you're going to do now is you're going to come back this way. But not yet. Stay on that line and then turn maybe another 3 feet. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Turn this passenger slow. Perfect. Slow, Steve. Drive over that. There's a big rock here. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, son of a bitch, that was an ankle.
See what he did? I would have thought he knew there was a rock there.
Yeah, he straddled it.
So come in, so your right tire's on that. And then
I nominate Steve today's Jimbolio.
Perfect. Yeah. Straighten out a little. There you go. Drive a little. There you go. Now passenger. Passenger. Fine. Passenger. Okay. Now driver. There. Slow. Driver. Perfect. Slow. Slow, you're going to dip. Driver. Perfect. Not yet. Now. Yep.
Going slow. Going slow.
Oh, sorry.
I had that welded on bucket on the back of mine too. Down off of them.
Yeah. There's a bypass on this one.
Lighting's terrible. Right in the shade. Big rock, hold up. Driver tires.
You want to do it?
Slow. Yeah. Not yet. Okay. Perfect. You're going to ride this line, okay? Okay. You're not nearly as bad as you feel. Slow, yeah. Climb it. Straighten out a little. There you go. Alright, now, you're going to turn this way. Yep. You can climb this. Perfect. Slow. Straighten out. Don't turn yet. You fell off your rock when you turned. It's alright, you're fine. That way, yeah. Perfect.
Alright, now cut. Straighten it out. Come slow. Keep coming slow. Don't turn your wheels because your wheel is locked in over here. Slowly up and start cutting that way. Slow. You got a big rock under your belly, so you want to go slow. Straighten out. Your back wheels, all right, cut. Your back wheel's gonna come up. There you go. Cut that way. You're gonna hit the rock over here. Yeah, take that. There you go. I think that's the line you should go. Oh yeah, I'm hearing that, man.
Yeah.
Might check that coil over, make sure it's not blown.
Hard. 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 Not yet.
Big rock back here.
Keep going. Alright. Slow. A little more. A little more. Hard. Straighten out a little. You're going to climb it. Slow. Just like that. Yeah. Coming down on your favorite shock there. That rock is shock though. Fine balance. There's a big boulder right there.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Am I hitting it?
You're gonna.
How much am I gonna have to come up? Really?
That's a bad idea. You're gonna. Oh, Brett.
What?
That was a bad idea.
I cleared it.
For now.
Kind of.
Perfect. Have your buttons on?
Probably not.
Bizarre.
I think I'm on the drill.
You are.
You are.
That rock that we told you about? If you go a little bit to the left first, you might be able to climb over it. There you go. I can't take pictures and spot at the same time. Straight this way, little.
You're gonna hit it again. You're
Nah,
on it.
you'll be fine.
You're hitting very soft,
Brett.
but as soon as you get to it, you can't push through it.
Yeah, but he'll be fine. He's climbing now.
Yeah, but his dip is the rear dip.
I know.
Brett,
Brett, try climbing a hair.
Stand back and walk.
no, you're fighting with that rock. You're too low. He's too low on it.
Yeah, his ass is.
Yeah, you'd need another 3 to 4 inches just to get over it.
Real slow.
You're on it. You're actually pulling the rock with you. You're okay.
Or do that.
Who needs a grade when you have Sully? Same line?
Slightly different with the rock.
You might want to come over it with your driver tire. Yeah.
You can cut it. You'll drive over it with your rear now.
There you go.
Just like that, Brett. You're fine.
Yeah, as you slip and fall.
You got to move your wife out of the way.
Trying to video it.
All right. Straighten out a little. There you go. You're gonna have to climb that a little no matter what. Slow. Now come forward like 6 inches and then straight. Yep, perfect. Perfect. You're gonna drop. Now the other one. Climbing.
I wanted to.
Ride this line when you drive a tire. Perfect. Not yet. Now cut hard. Keep going. Don't cut back yet. Straighten out a little. Yeah. Not yet. Not yet. A little more. Now you can cut. Hard. Yeah. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Slow. Hold up. Back up a little. Nope, just back up a little more. There you go. Now cut it.
Forward, right?
Yeah. You're gonna climb, straighten out. Yeah. Slow. All right, hold up. You want to cut now. Cut. Slow, Steve. There you go. Stay that line. Don't turn back yet. Yep. Now you can straighten out of here. There you go. Perfect. going nice and slow till you climb the last rock.
Alright. Hit nothing.
Big rock here, so just go around it.
Around it? Yeah, now you're not. You're gonna climb it.
No, just start going. Make it keep off.
Oh, your exhaust is fine, Steve.
I'm one of those people that forgets when you come down an obstacle. So do I move that rock a bit? That big rock? Yeah. Move it back about a foot and a half. Yeah, I was trying to make it more challenging.
Don't cut yet. Straight. There you go. Now you can cut. Cut. No. Be cutting. A little more. Now cut. Slow, Derek. Slow. Hold up. It's gonna be close. You want to protect your wings, right? Back up like 3 feet. We'll just turn you straighten out and back up. All right, now cut. You're gonna climb this big rock. Straighten out. There you go. A little more, passenger. Okay, right there. Now cut. You want to climb this ridge. Oh!
Are you in low range?
Yeah, you better put it in 4-wheel drive.
Oh, it is.
Don't cut yet. There you go, just like that. Passenger a hair. Yeah. Straighten out. Climbing. You're gonna drop.
You didn't need that far.
Hold up, hold up. If you're gonna go this way, there's a huge rock.
Okay,
You can either cut it this way or you can go that way.
take your pick.
Doesn't matter to me. Come this way if you're already turned. You're gonna climb it. Come to me. There you go.
Ta-da!
Did I hit the wing?
I think hit you much left.
No, that was
You hit the wing. You came down on the wing hard.
No, there's no proof of that.
Okay. I'll put that on. Seriously.
Yeah, it was just your mud flap.
Oh, really?
2 feet.
Lay down and have it go up and over in video. I've just got to figure out the right spot. I think there's good.
Yeah. Or I know maybe right there.
Right in here, you mean?
Yeah, right there.
No.
Go, pro.
I'm going to be recording the other side of Sully.
Basically, we're looking at Brett backtrack.
I tend to do a little 2-foot and hand. No. But I'm not as good with brakes on my left foot yet, so.
Straight out just a hair, Brett. There you go. Coming down. Coming up. And keep coming. Once you press, then you're going to turn.
Just make sure this rear won't go on the side.
Yeah. Now turn passenger, Brett. Hard passenger. There you go. Coming down. Straighten out. Perfect. That's easy.
Bottom of the No, I just pulled out. That was going to be
Flying start.
Gentle. Just come over and then make sure your passenger tire goes over that rock. See it?
Show ya?
Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. Driver. You're not watching me, are you? Do I have to call it, or are you gonna watch my hand? Are you listening to my voice, or you're watching my hand?
Well,
Okay. A little more driver. A little more driver. There you go. Coming down slow. There you go. Slow. Perfect. Come up. Start turning once you crest. Now turn passenger. Slow, Steve. Hard. Passenger hard. Slow coming down. Keep turning passenger. Now slow, you're climbing this rock here. Straighten out. There you go. Perfect. Little passenger. Coming down again. And you're out. This big rock here, just climb it with your right. Thank you, sir. And pet driver. There you go. Driver. Okay.
There's a certain fun in drinking Mountain Dew all day.